Gina with WTI, and if you have an upcoming event that you need disposable cutlery for, you're gonna love this set of wooden utensils that I got from purpleclay. These are very plain and simple style. They're very functional and work well. These are smooth, and you can be confident that you're not gonna get any splinters from using them. And you can definitely put them in your food disposal bin so that they can break down and put them into your garden soil once they're completely dissolved. I got the 360 set, so there's 120 of each fork, spoon, and knife. They're made out of birchwood, and I really like the light color because that means that you can use it in a lot of different party themes. It's also nice that they packaged each individual utensil type in its own container so that it makes it easy to place out. They made such a perfect rustic style for the type of wedding shower that we were going for, and everyone thought they looked awesome. These would be great for any type of gathering that you're having, whether that's indoor or outdoor. My guests and I thought that these were perfect for the wedding shower, and that's our point of view.